You are watching All About Home Decor. Welcome to our quick and inspiring tour of Arch's design ideas. In just 1 minute, we'll showcase a world of architectural wonders that celebrate the beauty and versatility of arches in design. From elegant entryways to captivating interiors, arches have the power to transform spaces and capture our imagination. Join us as we explore a collection of arches that blend timeless craftsmanship with modern creativity. Whether you're seeking classic charm or contemporary flair, these design ideas will surely ignite your creativity. Let's dive into a whirlwind of architectural brilliance, where every arch tells a unique story. Are you ready? Let the journey begin.